different, gang? It is Dark Beauty 925 coming to you live, and today I'm going to be doing a Ipsy bag tutorial. So this is the first time that I have one of these on my channel. This is actually my first makeup slash product subscription ever. I was going back and forth with myself whether I wanted to do Birchbox or Ipsy, but I don't know. I think I just was like, you know what, I'm gonna just do Ipsy. Like, one of my friends had Ipsy and I liked the stuff that she got in her bag, so I was like, let me just try it. Like $10 a month, and I'm just so excited to receive my first one. So we're just gonna dive right in. Can we just take a second to admire this packaging? Like, if the packaging is this cute, I just can only imagine what's inside. First thing that I see is this cute, very cute makeup bag. Like, do y'all see that? It has butterflies all over it. It has like rose gold corners, and then the zipper is rose gold. I just think that is so amazing. That is legit so cute. In the back is like a purpley, the color. That is so amazing. And then outside of the bag, I don't know if that was supposed to be on purpose, which it probably is because it might not fit inside the bag, is this makeup brush, and it's a blending brush, and it is so cute. I wanted one of these, and I'm happy that I got a cute one. I'm gonna take it out the wrapper. It says Glamour Dolls. I don't know. Look, amazing. It looks like a unicorn. So now I'm gonna get into opening this pretty bag. So I guess it just like explains like the meaning behind the bags. I'm gonna just turn my phone on do not disturb because it's kind of getting ridiculous. The first thing that I see in here is, pretty sure it's an eyeliner pencil, maybe? How the heck is it not telling me? But I'm about to try to open it. Okay, so this is a Siet London, and it is a eyeliner pen, and it has a nice little, what are these, the felt tips? But it's so cute. And then I did like I said it's cute, but I just like the fact that it's really pigmented. You know, some blacks are kind of like see-through because it's too watery, but this is a nice black. I really like the tip of that brush. I was just about to get the NYX one like this, like the super skinny NYX marker, but I'm glad that I got this. The next thing that I got is a Punk Volumizer mascara, and it's in Douche. Is that the makeup name? The makeup brand name? I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but it's Douche. And ooh, it's a lot of product that comes on there. It is a little container, but it's a lot of product that comes on there, and it has so many bristles, which I think would just make my lashes look so much more full. So I'm most definitely ready to try this. Next thing that I got is some Gio Rascaro milk, and it is a leave-in conditioner. And so this is a hair product. I don't really know how it smells. Let me see. It smells good. It smells like it smells like if there was such thing as a raspberry milk. I really like this. And it's not like a heavy product. Like, you know, you can feel the film of the product. Like, you really can't feel it like that. Coming closer so y'all can see that brand. And it's really amazing. It's probably not going to focus all the way. I need a better camera that focuses more. And then the last thing that I got in this bag, oh, I almost dropped it, but it is this Meech and Maya, and I believe it's an eyeshadow. Yes, it's the copper eyeshadow, and I'm about to open it up and do a swatch on it. Oh, and it's one of those ones that get really messy. One of these ones, y'all know what I'm talking about? Like, the powder gets like everywhere. Sparkle though. Look at that. Alright, maybe y'all can see that better. That copper color is so pretty, and I'm just like a natural brown type of girl, so I know that that eyeshadow looks so cute, especially for my inner corner. Crazy because they say you get 5 things, but when it includes the makeup bag, you actually got 6. So that is all for my first ever Ipsy unboxing. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm about to just edit. It is kind of late, so tell me how y'all would like for my next Ipsy video to be. Like, do you want me to do like a review then and there? Like, I kind of did a little of it now, but would you like me to do like a more in-depth review? Like, instead of doing swatch, look at that color. I know y'all see it now. Like, I know y'all see it. But instead of like maybe doing swatches, actually putting on my eyes if it's some eyeshadow, or like with the eyeliner pencil actually applying it. So let me know in the comments what you would prefer me to do. But that is all for this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe. It is Dark Beauty 925 signing out this live. Bye.